Hello, my name is David Cly. I'm a student in the Homeland Security and Emergency Management program. Please excuse my voice, I'm very ill at the moment. But today I'm going to be talking about China, their emergency management system, and specifically recent earthquakes that have occurred in China. What this country has done in preparation to respond to earthquakes, and how they have adapted to the threat of earthquakes. Introduction. The population of China ranks highest in the world at 1.4 billion inhabitants. Susceptibility. China has borders that lay between the Indian Plate, the Pacific Plate, and the Philippines Plate, all active tectonic plates, and since 1900, China has seen over 500,000 deaths due to earthquakes. This amounts to 53% of casualties induced by earthquakes in the whole world. The main vulnerability China faces is a lack of unified emergency management system. China experiences low effectiveness and efficiency in responding to disasters. To add to this, the country also lacks sufficient amount of first responders, and although when the worst does occur, China has in its past activated the military to offer the population some type of aid. Some history is the 1976 Tangshan earthquake, which caused above 240,000 deaths, followed by the 2008 Sichuan earthquake, which caused 70,000 deaths. The People's Republic of China, after these events, established the China Earthquake Administration, or the CEA. Each provincial government also has their own earthquake administration that is under the CEA, and the main goal is to provide the people of China by mitigating earthquake disasters. Instead of the Chinese government focusing on just warning citizens, the government has focused on creating awareness with the general population. An enforcement of new building codes in susceptible areas have been put into place since. And there is only one university in China that has a master's program for emergency management at the moment. The policy of the Ministry of Emergency Management has implemented efforts to establish a modern emergency management system, which include new laws and regulations. China lacks a national-level emergency management department, unlike the United States, which has FEMA, but instead, China works with internal organizations like the Ministry of Civil Affairs, the National Disaster Reduction Center, and the Ministry of Public Service. In conclusion, in order for China to create a better response to earthquakes, it will have to create a more resilient system that focuses on infrastructure and mitigation. China faces geographical problems, which are caused by it bordering 3 active tectonic plates, and China faces an increasingly growing population, which will in turn see more people which are threatened by earthquakes. Continuity. There's an upside to China's current emergency management system, in that China is pushing heavily from top down on a more enhanced emergency management system. Thank you very much.